Witless Bay is a picturesque coastal community located on the Avalon Peninsula in Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. Situated about 30 kilometers south of St. John's, it's known for its stunning natural beauty, abundant wildlife, and rich cultural heritage. The community derives its name from the English term witless, which originally meant abounding in white, possibly referring to the whitecaps seen on the waves in the area. One of the most notable features of Witless Bay is its proximity to the Witless Bay Ecological Reserve, which encompasses several small islands just off the coast. These islands, including Gull Island, Green Island, Great Island, and PP Island, are home to one of the largest Atlantic puffin colonies in North America, as well as other seabirds such as common murres, razorbills, and black-legged kittiwakes. The reserve is protected to preserve the breeding grounds of these seabirds, making it a popular destination for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts. In addition to its ecological significance, Witless Bay offers opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, kayaking, and whale watching. The surrounding landscape features rugged cliffs, sandy beaches, and scenic coastal trails, providing ample opportunities for exploration and adventure. Witless Bay also has a strong cultural heritage, with a history rooted in fishing and seafaring. Today, it's a welcoming community known for its friendly residents, vibrant arts scene, and traditional Newfoundland hospitality. The annual Witless Bay Puffin and Petrel Patrol is a popular event that engages volunteers in monitoring and protecting the seabird colonies during the nesting season. Overall, Witless Bay is a hidden gem on Newfoundland's Avalon Peninsula, offering visitors a chance to experience the natural wonders and cultural charm of coastal Newfoundland.